Alright, these covers are a bit tricky to get off. I got the first one on the front passenger side off. Unfortunately, I did break two of the back clips. However, I think I got it down to where you can take it off without breaking it. You need one of these plastic trim removal tools that you can get just about any auto parts store or on Amazon. And what you're going to do is you'll find the clips. There's two on each side, and you'll loosen them. Just pop there. Pop there. Now, don't make the mistake that I did. I just tried to lift up. If you take this removal tool and push, you'll get the other clips undone without breaking them. And like I said, on the front one, I did unfortunately break the two back ones because when I popped the front, I tried to lift up and it snapped these two clips on the back side. So learning from my lesson there, what you're going to do is you'll do and pop the two clips on the front, and then from there take your removal tool and push through on the other side and pop the clips out on the other side too without breaking them. But that's how you remove the plastic cover to expose the mounting hardware for these Toyota 4Runner roof racks. I would imagine that would apply to just about any factory mounted roof rack that you would get with these plastic covers. You could probably remove them all the same way, I'm assuming. I'm also going to do a different angle so you guys can get an idea of how to use the tool to pop the front clips. And I also want to let you guys know you only need two things for this job: a plastic trim removal tool, and I use a microfiber rag. And as you see, I'll show you how I do that. So I take the microfiber rag so I don't mess up the paint on the vehicle, and then I basically fit the tool between the plastic cover and the rubber gasket. Fit the tool between and just work it over. Popping one. And both clips. Both clips are now undone. And again, as I said, I learned from the mistake I made on the first one I tried to remove, where when I got to this point, I tried to just lift the cover up. Don't do that. You'll break the clips on the back side. So what you do is you take your trim removal tool, and fortunately this is long enough and thin enough that you'll poke it through there. Well, there we go. And you'll use it to push on the other side to undo the backside clips. When you do that, as I'm showing here, you won't break. So far I've done it twice now doing it this method, and both times were successful. I haven't broken any of the clips. So I'm going to say that is the best way to do this without damaging this plastic cover. Here I just want to show the very first cover that I tried to remove, and if you notice, the backside clips I did break. And again, when you remove the front clips, do not lift up. Take a removal tool or a screwdriver and push onto the other side to pop those clips loose before you lift the cover up to prevent any damage to the clips. Hopefully you guys find this information useful. Thank you for watching.